Why India can't build its own Google or ChatGPT yet. India gave the world zero, chess, and the Indus Valley. But today we're asking, why can't India build a Google or ChatGPT? Lack of R&D? Open markets? Or something bigger? Let's start with the elephant in the room. India spends just 0.6% of its GDP on R&D. For perspective, Israel spends 5.7%. And it's not just the government. Private companies contribute only 36% of total R&D versus 70% plus in the US and China. Imagine an Indian startup building a Desi Google. Will we ditch the original? History says no. Remember social media app Coup? It got crushed by Facebook and Instagram. Meanwhile, China's Great Firewall shields its tech until they're strong enough to compete globally. Here's the kicker. AI runs on chips we can't buy. The US restricts Nvidia's advanced semiconductors. India can only import 50,000 by 2027. OpenAI trained ChatGPT on similar numbers, but here's the catch. They get unlimited supply. By the time India catches up, the goalposts move. China saw this coming. They hoarded chips and now make their own. India, we're stuck importing. Even if we build a ChatGPT today, without chips, we're racing with shackles. But wait, India's no stranger to miracles. We reach Mars cheaper than Hollywood movies. So, what's missing? A national mission. Silicon Valley wasn't built in garages alone. The CIA funded early tech. China pumps billions into Huawei. India needs government-private synergy. A moonshot plan for AI, chips, and R&D. Will India lead or keep playing catch-up? The answer lies in us. Support homegrown tech, pressure policymakers, and think big. The next Google could be born in Bengaluru. But first, we need to invest, protect, and dream bigger. Let's rewrite the rules.